Today's video is a little bit different content that we've had before. This is for people that don't have a saxophone and maybe they want a saxophone, or maybe they don't even want a saxophone. Well, I have something else that you can learn, the nose flute. Not to be confused with the nose flute, which is quite a bit more difficult. Or the nose whistle. Or the nose harmonica. The nose flute. It's a very special instrument. You can get it at most music stores, and definitely recommend it. It's pretty easy to play. Basically, you just need a nose and a mouth. So here you go. The first step is you put it against your nose. There's a little hole right there that you blow into through your nose, and you open your mouth. Aw. So you just blow through your nose. There you go. Now how you change pitches, this is the different thing, is you change the shape of the inside of your mouth. So ooh wah, that kind of thing. Now if you're really good, you can use your ears and actually create notes on this, so you want to match notes. So let's find a toy piano and I can explain. I think we have one around here. Ah, yes. For my 8-month-old son, he has this great little piano here. So we'll play a note on the piano and then I'll try and match the note. So I'm just going ah, 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 and changing the size of my mouth a little bit. The high notes are a little tricky. Anyway, there you go. Nose flute, 99 cents, and get to playing some music. And just to show you an example of what you can do,